Hi everybody! Today we're going to see how I draw Stormbolt. Alright, I'm going to start off with a quick sketch. And then I'll switch over to Sharpie. So don't worry if you can't see this. This is totally for me. And then you can follow along. And you don't have to use Sharpie if you don't want to. This is how I like to do it. Just because like everybody else, I wanted to draw comics when I was younger. And started messing around with pen and ink techniques. And just started doing this. So I thought it'd be fun to teach you and help you guys out with the things I've learned or tried with my inking techniques, you know? So anyway, if you don't feel comfortable with a Sharpie, don't do it. Do what makes you happy. You know what makes me happy? Pizza. That's what I'm gonna have after this. Fatty wants pizza. Alright, I shouldn't be saying that. I should be saying fatty. That's not a positive term. We're all about positivity here, right? Let's see. That's gonna go back. This is gonna go up. Like that. That goes like that. That can go back a little bit more. Okay, I think I'm ready to switch over. Let's see, that comes down. That'll go like that. That'll go there. Okay, yeah, let's switch over. So I'm going to use the Sharpie fine point mostly, and I'll add a few little tidbits here with the Sharpie pen. So here's what we're going to do. Let's start off with this big part right here. So let's go ahead and do the first arc. I'm going to arc it over like that. That'll help us out to determine where we are with everything else. So this is going to come straight down like this. Then it's going to kind of arc over like this and go in a little bit. Now these are going to connect. Let's see, there is like a thinner gold line right there. I kind of want to accent that, so let's do something like that and then connect them. Let's see what we can do. I'm going to come down here to this like that. Then I'm going to do one more instep, just a little bit lower like that, and connect that. And I'm pretty much just following this other line. And it doesn't matter if it doesn't come out straight. Mine came out a little wonky, but that's okay. This is how I draw. You draw how you draw, and we'll meet somewhere in between. So now, let's see if I can do that gold line in there. Same thing, but I'm going to do it with the Sharpie pen, just to show you the fun inking techniques of thin and thick. So here, I'm just going to go down. I'm going to kind of meet it like that. Same thing. Run parallel. And meet it down here like that. So see how it stands out a little bit different from thick and thin. Maybe you don't see it, I don't know, maybe it's just me, maybe I'm the cuckoo one. Then we're gonna add these lines like that, this one like that. I love that sound. And then keep going here, okay? So there, it looks like a shotgun shell or something right here. Maybe it's a battery, but it's something that looks kind of like this. And let's keep going with that fun little thinner line stuff like that. Okay, I'm going to connect that there where I didn't quite do it. And then there's a line that goes, kind of follows it, goes like this, kind of goes around it. And it's going to connect up here, but I guess we got to draw that line first, huh? So let's do a line to about right there. So we're going to, again, let's see, arc it just a hair like that. And let's go ahead and draw the rest of this so we'll know where we are. Like that. This is going to come down here. This is going to come over here like this. And this one's going to arc back up here like that, but not mirror it. So see, it doesn't look perfect. It is not supposed to, hit each other. Or maybe it is. Maybe I just don't know how to draw. Okay, so I'm going to come up here like this and do that line. Oh, I should have done that with a thinner line. That's what I should have done. Oh well, what's done is done. Let's see, there's a circle here, and there's a line right here. I'm going to connect that there. I'm going to bring this down to this. So I'm going to kind of pick it up here and kind of follow it because I want it to mirror or cohesively go straight across like that. And this has got another piece in here like this, inset like that. Pretty cool. All right, so now I'm going to come down just to give myself some stop lines like that. And then let's see, there's a few more like this. And so this has kind of like a ribbed looking thing. So what I'm going to try to do is, yeah, this is going to be cool. So let's see, is that straight? That's straight. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to stair step going like that, and then connect them with a thin one just to get that thinner technique like that. Okay, so I'm gonna, let's see, I'm just gonna go for it. Okay, so I'm gonna do this, and I'm kind of following my sketch, not too much. Something like that. And you know what? I should have counted, but I didn't, so oh well. I'm just going to have to try to remember how many I did, or I'm going to come back. So I'm going to kind of do like that. So I'm kind of like going opposite. So ideally, it's going to come across like that. Okay? So you just kind of follow what you did here, and we're going to do something like that. So remember, just kind of go across from it. And also kind of keep an idea of where you're going to go. So you kind of doing two things at once. But you guys play video games. You're used to eye-hand coordination, right? Perfect. Okay. It's a little exaggerated, but you know what? That's okay. We're having fun. And I'm just going to connect the lines like that. Connect this one, and then bring it in a little bit, and then draw the ends. And this one kind of goes out like that. Okay, gonna do that, gonna do that, and I think that's good. I think we'll take care of the rest with color. So that is Stormbolt. So here is my colored version. You could do it however you like. I just thought I'd show you how I decided to color it. If you'd like to color it like this, you can always pause the video here and use the coloring techniques that I used, or you can just make it your own. Remember, this is how I draw. You draw how you draw. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more adventures of how I draw. Plus, don't forget to hit that notification button to be updated about each new video.